Hey, what's up? Gleb Alexandrov here. Welcome to the new episode of Nothing. I just wanted to say that I'm extremely happy and I'm extremely grateful to you that you have taken this thing to the new heights. 100,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel, and what really matters is not the numbers but the big trend that is upon us, the trend of inclusion of more and more people into the content creation game, because nowadays everybody can communicate with the large audiences directly without any kind of gatekeepers and stuff like that, and have an access to the means of production. And I'm really happy to be in the same kind of community with you, and I don't deserve a quarter of your support, and I love you all. I'm so lucky to be in this shit with you together. Just think about it. Some years ago, the paradigm of the content creation was completely different. The world was split into two large groups, consumers and producers, and there was a division between these groups. And nowadays, the line between production and consumption is blurring. And as Alvin Toffler, the American journalist, predicted, now we live in the world where the new type of actor is emerging. Alvin Toffler called it prosumer. Basically, it means that you are no longer producing content or just consuming content. You produce and consume at the same time. And all of us, I think, are prosumers. So if you want to start your YouTube channel or whatever, today is the great time to do it, but probably the best time in the history of the humankind. Okay, so that's it. Now the time for the celebration.